What's the meaning of center forward? Center forward. Center forward.
Center forward. Center forward. Center forward is a term used in football, soccer, to describe a position on the field. The center forward plays in the middle of the front line and is typically responsible for scoring goals and creating chances for their team. This player is often referred to as a striker or forward, and their main objective is to get the ball into the opponent's goal. They are usually the most advanced player on the team and are expected to be quick, agile, and skilled at controlling the ball. A successful center forward can make all the difference in a match, scoring crucial goals and leading their team to victory.